This is Project Pharaoh, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Pharaoh is painted full gloss Corris grey with black accents. Pharaoh sits on 20-inch Mondar retro wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a 6-point external roll cage, classic front bumper with worn winch, and black E.C.D custom steering guard. Inside, Pharaoh features a Nardi Challenge steering wheel with all-American gauges, 2 Corbeau front seats, a 60-40 split mid-row, and a clear load area for extra storage. Each seat is finished in a single diamond Garrett Cadence licorice leather, stitched together in black and steel. One of the more striking features of this 110 is the custom Starlight headliner, hand-built by the team here at E.C.D. Pharaoh is powered by a LT4 450 horsepower engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern elements such as Infinity Kappa sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB ports throughout.